Please introduce yourself, your company, and everything that's going on, because I can't wait to show you guys again on my channel. And we have a new addition.
Yeah, new tiny member of Tiny Planet family. This is the name of our company. I'm Sophia, Dennis, and Amelia.
Amelia? How old is Amelia?
3 months old.
3 months old.
Brand new.
Brand new.
Brand new Amelia, brand new van. This van is customer's van.
Okay.
Yeah, so we built this van. It's fresh new build. The customer actually will come today to pick this van.
Are they gonna be here right
it's
now?
Like it has a fresh, like smell of fresh build inside. So yeah, let's come in and have
Okay,
a
I was going to go right into it. Are we bringing Amelia with? Oh, there we go. We're going to hand off Amelia. I have to ask, you guys were, the last time I showed you on my channel, you guys were in your own van, right? Was that not your van? Or?
Yeah, that was our van. We sold it because we are now a family of 3. We have to build another van for us for a bigger family.
So you're doing a family van now?
Yeah, actually we do a family vans now because we will accommodate our small kids.
Oh, so cute though, so cute. All right, so before we start with the tour, what is the vehicle that we are in right now?
This is Mercedes-Benz 170 wheelbase. We mostly build out of this chassis. Yeah, so the most popular to fit shower, bed, and all the necessary things like a small apartment.
Would you do a 144? Have you guys been discussing that at all?
We never done it.
You don't want to do it?
Yeah. I mean, it's so hard to fit such a interior, such apartments in 144 chassis. Probably in the future, but not now.
and we're at if you guys couldn't tell, I'm not looking at you, but there's a show happening behind us. So were you guys staying in this van over the weekend?
No.
Okay.
Because as I said, this customer's van is brand new. We didn't want to touch.
Okay, I was gonna ask how the van life was with the baby, but if you guys...
No, we didn't try yet. She's just 3 months old, but we are can't wait to try it soon. Because we have another van in our shop, which is our company owns, so we are gonna go for one small trip soon.
Well, I can't wait to dive into this. You guys have done a lot. Let's start here in the front, if that's okay.
Absolutely.
You guys did your swivels. I'm gonna step right down here.
This is their sitting area with 2 swivels with this bench. This bench has nice addition. This to put your feet on it. Yeah, like when you sit on the driver's seat, you can put your feet. That was actually required by our customer. He wanted so much to feel like at home. He said, I don't want to miss my sofa on the road. Here,
it doubles the storage?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
It has to.
We don't lose any inch inside the van. So another drawer,
again, all the goodies are in there for the customer that's coming literally today.
Here, this addition, usually we don't have cabinets above the sitting area, but this was designed for our customer. He wanted so much a bookshelf and just additional storage.
Yeah, if I remember the last time, you had a seat here and you had the lights coming up the wall and like that. It was really cool looking.
A light bar here. That's what we usually do. Yeah, but we do some small customizations just to accommodate all the customers' needs.
And I see you did the ceiling differently, is that right?
Oh, correct. Yeah, this ceiling is made by bamboo plywood. So we did these slatted ceiling with light bars. You can change colors, different zones. So all these zones are controlled by remote controller and this panel that you can attach to everywhere you want.
All right, no offense to Dennis, but there's no way that you picked all of this material in here. I'm assuming it was you because it looks beautiful in here.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm still a designer.
Yes, that's what I was getting at. You were the designer.
Yeah, I'm still a designer. All the job done by our builders in our shop. So yeah, they do very good job for all the finishes and everything.
Do you know what the material is like? Is that just a paint? Because that's really well painted.
Yeah, this is just a paint, plywood, white oak painted. This is bamboo. So this interior design has bamboo finish, bamboo galley.
And that's what the client wanted.
Yes.
Okay.
So now we have it like a design that you can choose. So it's not our first build in bamboo. I think it's like a 4th or 5th build with fully bamboo design.
Yeah. So if a client wanted a laminate finish, you guys could do a laminate finish.
Yeah, white oak, laminate. Yeah, we can accommodate any desires. So this is the kitchen. Kitchen galley is quite big. Lots of storage, huge countertop, induction cooktop, faucet, additional faucet with filter, UV filter for drinking water.
Soap dispenser. I'm sorry.
Soap dispenser is cool. Fancy.
Fancy. There you go.
This one is oven plus air fry, pantry folder, spices.
Even a bubble to extend.
Yeah, and extension, like to make countertop even bigger than it is.
So much room.
Yeah, it is.
All right, you guys did something in your last van that I almost stole, which was that backsplash. I love the material. Is it what was it called again? Something slate?
King slate.
King slate.
Yeah, king slate. So this is the natural stone veneer. It's thin, just 2 millimeters on epoxy layer, so it's flexible, never will crack. They have big variety of different stones. I cannot say colors because it's real stone.
It's real, right? Yeah.
Yeah, you can see, for example, this one has real structure. So we do have it in our shower and we have it in our backsplash, and customer can pick any stone they have. They have really good variety of colors.
It has such a good feel in here.
Yeah.
It really does. It has a very homey vibe in here.
Exactly, yeah. And actually our customer, he wanted to be as apartment because he gonna travel totally full time and go for a long travel with this van. He wanted so much to feel like at home.
You know, I get this question a lot in my channel. Is a lot of people don't ever talk about price, but if you could give a range of price, because there's so many different prices that could happen between Tiny Planet.
So this kind of build, this quite fully loaded van.
Yeah.
The price is about 150, correct?
140 or 150 for such build.
The reason I was asking about the price was because I think we're going to jump into why it's expensive.
Yes.
And I don't think it's expensive. I think why it's worth its value. Yes. I guess that brings me up to the point of your heating system is in-floor heating.
Yeah, we do have here hydronic heated system by Timberline.
Great company, by the way, Timberline. Great company. We love them.
Actually, now we install heated floors in all of our vans. Every customer.
Standard.
I mean, it's optional feature, but everyone picks this feature.
Wow.
So yeah, it's quite expensive feature, but everyone wants to have heated floors. So heated floors works as we have pipes under the floor with the transglycol, and the heater itself uses diesel from the diesel tank, the main tank of the van.
And that's tied into the Timberline system, correct?
Yes. Yeah, but we a little bit redesigned it. So the floors we do by ourselves. They provide heater. Yeah,
all the
just
good stuff.
the device, yeah.
And then obviously we went with another thing that makes it worth the price is the cruising comfort.
Of course, yeah. So the whole system about the climate in this van is pretty cool. So we have Timberline for heating and cruising comfort, the most efficient air conditioner in the market, which is mounted underneath the van, so it doesn't take place on the roof. And instead of air conditioner, we have a skylight on the roof. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I mean, you have a crazy setup right there. This client really got everything, got the works.
Yeah.
I didn't realize your shower was this freaking big. It's massive.
Yeah.
I mean, I could fit another human in here. It's crazy. I mean, it's big.
Yeah.
So I love this shower, how big it is.
It seems like a real shower stall in the house.
It does, actually. Do you know the dimensions offhand? Either one of you?
It's about 33 by 24.
Yeah, I know you guys use centimeters and meters where you're from, but...
In inches. It was in inches.
Okay.
The cool stuff about shower that we have a flat shower pan, it's our custom. It has 4 drains in each corner. Here we have a sliding toilet that is hidden, and toilet is sliding into the shower.
Which toilet is that?
Tiny by separate, waterless toilet with 2 separate tanks. The floor in the shower is also heated, so
the pipes go underneath the floor.
Goes underneath the floor too.
That real stone won't get cold on your feet.
You stay in the cold.
You just got really excited. I know that you haven't showered in this one particularly because it's a client, but you did shower. Yeah. Both of you have showered in your other van.
We did absolutely the same shower in our van, and we do install such a shower head in all our builds. This is Nebia by Moen, very efficient shower head. It uses only 0.4 gallons per minute, so it's a mist, and it's perfect. So you have a steam shower here, and you do not spend a lot of water.
So Moen you just took the wand portion of it, so you don't have the cylinder portion of it.
Yes.
So where did the cylinder portion go? Do you guys just have it somewhere else?
No, we just buy it separately, and but we have to be creative to make it works.
That's so funny. The bed. You got so much going on in here.
And another thing that we have a closet here, so you can put your shorts.
Yeah, hanging clothes.
Yeah, and fridge, which is eye position, very easy to access your food.
Which fridge is that? Is that a 12-volt fridge?
Yes, 12-volt fridge is.
Nice.
I don't remember the brand.
Okay.
I wanted to pick the name, but I don't remember. So this is access to the garage, and this was customized for our customer. He wanted so much to have like mountains, bike, and moon, like important elements for him.
Nice.
We elevated this bed. Usually it's quite lower in our builds because of the bikes.
Okay. Well, you're
underneath.
short. You're shorter than me.
Yeah, but usually our bed starts somewhere here.
Okay.
And we lifted this bed, I will show on the back. Yeah, to fit 2 bikes underneath the bed.
Okay.
He didn't want to dismount the bikes, he wanted to like store how it is. So that's why we have here.
Okay, this is what I was getting at. How the heck
Yeah.
do you get up into that bed?
We have this shelf which
Perfect.
can hold 450 pounds.
Yeah.
You can stand on it. And another cool thing about this bed.
That is
So
a cool
this
idea.
bed has couch mode.
This bed has couch mode.
Yeah.
Did you say that? Couch mode?
It,
Oh, snap. Okay.
So you can sit facing the rear doors or in opposite side too, it works.
So you can go couch the way that we are in.
Yeah, just a second. So like this too. So
Oh,
you
yeah.
can sit like this, chill, put the projector.
He's doing that with a baby in his hand. That's talent right there. Loving van. We're getting him into van life early. Look at that smile.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Hi. Absolutely precious. So now you guys have I mean, look at all the roof space that you have, especially by, like you said earlier, you put the cruising comfort below, you have the skylight above. How much solar did you guys be able to fit in here?
600 watts of solar.
600
And there's
watts.
another cool thing about solar panels I will show you when we come
When we go up to the roof?
Yeah,
Okay,
when we go
cool.
up to the roof.
Is that a cue for us to go outside, or what else you got? What is this?
Oh yeah, this is some like magnet. He wanted to have this magnet maybe to store some keys or knives, something like
Really?
that. Yeah.
I have
That was
keys on me.
custom.
Can I try
Yeah,
this?
let's do it. Oh wow!
I mean, my key is on it. That's a little weird.
So here we have a sliding shelf
Whoa.
and 2 bike racks.
Are these his bikes?
Yeah,
Okay.
he already brought them yesterday to show up how it looks like. So you still can change the position of the bed, the height of the bed.
Oh, with those things right
Yeah.
there. Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And on the doors we have like heavy equipment to store 2 more bikes. So
Okay.
he's gonna travel with 4 bikes.
That's a
He's
lot.
really like bike addicted, and like all storage.
You've got a lot going on here. You opened this up for us. What the heck is going on in here? I know this is your specialty. We got the designer right here, but we have the electrical and just mechanical engineer of it all.
Engineering, correct.
Okay.
So in this van, we have 800 amp hours of lithium and a Victron system, 3000 watt inverter, 2 DC-DC chargers, MPPT solar controller for 600 watts of solar that we have.
Yep.
We have bunch of light controllers because we have everything is controlled by remote.
Okay.
And we have outdoor and indoor lights with multiple zones, multiple colors, options, fuses here. This is cruising comfort. We removed the cover just for weight purposes.
Okay. I was gonna say, how does Chris feel about that?
Actually, he's fine about that. He understands how important to have a lighter van.
Yeah.
And because we cover it with additional panel, so it's safe there. On the other side, we have a water tank and
Oh, you opened that up too.
yeah, and this is our hydronic system by Timberline, and
wow.
we have water pump and water accumulator. Also, what we did for our clients, we added winterizing hose, so it's very easy to winterize the whole system for storage.
Okay.
It's important to mention that we have heated gray water system, so every pipe that is underneath the van is insulated. So 1-inch pipe become like this thick pipe with insulation layer, and we run heated cable inside to heat up if it is freezing cold outside. So we travel to winter condition a lot with this van, with our van. You can have hot shower. Doesn't matter how cold outside, so it's always perfect. So easy to winterize, and this customer asks for additional water tank because he wants to have extended travel. Usually we are ready for 1 week long, and this customer has 200 minutes of shower.
Wow.
So he can stay up to 2 weeks off grid with having shower every day and having enough power.
How much water is on board?
Almost 80 gallons.
Almost 80 gallons. That's a lot. you must have upgraded suspension. You must have upgraded all that stuff
Yes.
to handle all the weight.
Necessary.
Necessary, he says. Okay. All right, let's continue on.
Here is like artificial grass and lounge, like rooftop lounge with sunbed. When you drive, you just close it, and we have solar panel on the other side.
Oh.
Yeah, so we don't like lose this space, and we have 1, 2, 3 solar panels, 200 watts each, and yeah, and when you want to chill here, you just open it.
And it looks like you have a locking mechanism.
Yeah.
So when you do drive, it locks
when you
down.
close it before you drive, you just lock it.
Okay. That's smart.
The skylight, the hatch, you can go like from the inside to outside using the hatch or ladder.
Now that I'm up on the tire, literally, you guys can see, standing here, and there you are.
Yeah, I think
This
it's
is nice.
Yeah, it's enough for like have a picnic here. It's huge space.
Sorry for the wind, everybody, but we're, you know, in a big open field.
Yeah. Let me show you again this thing.
Oh yeah, let me see that solar panel. Look at that, isn't that cool? All right guys, so where can we find you? What's, you know, your company yet again? And I mean, you gotta have this one in there at the end,
Yeah.
so why not?
So we are Tiny Planet, van conversion company. You can find us online in Instagram, YouTube, or our website, tinyplanet.group.
And we are located at Sacramento. Sacramento, we just moved to a new, bigger shop, so we have some vans to show you.
Yeah,
Please
thank you so
welcome.
much. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Bye-bye.
Have a good one.
Bye.